Good afternoon, Commanders. Welcome to another CSF Tech Talk, where I want to go over probably the most unique, in my opinion, life safety device out there, the Ajax 3-in-1 detector, and 3-in-1 meaning heat, smoke, and CO2.
Here's a little rundown of what you find on the back of this box. As you can see, it's 24 hours, meaning always active, so you cannot bypass this because it is life safety. You want this working all the time. Built-in siren, which I believe the instructions say is 85 decibels, so nice and loud. And that working together with the interconnected alarm support, meaning one goes off, the others start to go off. Obviously, it can be controlled by the app. Get the smart bracket for the fast installation. That 5,500 feet is that 1,700 meters free air. Remember, always take that with a grain of salt. You may need to add a Rex. This is pretty good, up to 5 years of battery life. And the biggest one here, the whole front side is the test mute button. So no looking around for a little plastic button to press and hold for 30 seconds. All right.
So we'll just open this up here. I do have 3 of them, but I'm just going to do this for the one. Might put this downstairs in the shop. I want to test how good this is against the dust. And you know what? That new car smell. I know it's a broken record, guys. I'm sorry. Like, this is mea culpa. Oh, wow. Not too shabby, hey? Looks nice. Yeah, it just slightly click, yeah. Yeah, so you got the heat, the thermistor, CO2. You can kind of see the smoke chamber that's in there. And it's supposed to be dust resistant and insect resistant, meaning no one climbing in there, setting off false alarms, which dust is such a huge one when you put them in like a garage or things like that, just accumulates because not too many people clean it. This will require no cleaning. And it does have, what does it say here? It does have 2 dual spectrum optical sensor paired with their Hazelflow software algorithm. So they have it here where, and one of the examples in their paperwork is, this is like above, say, a kitchen and you're cooking something. Steam and stuff like that, it will know through one of the spectrums, well, yes, it's steam, but it's not particles like a smoke, like particles from smoke. When it finally does get to the fire, those 2 algorithms match or get close to matching, so they know that it actually is smoke instead of something that would just be giving you false alarms. So I'm gonna add this to the system, and I think I'm gonna place it out in the garage here. And then obviously have to wait a while because my dad does a lot of woodworking projects, and the regular electrical smokes obviously constantly dirty, constantly being replaced, as this should be the solution. So I'm really excited to try this out everywhere, mainly because I don't think there's ever been anything like this where you have 3 detectors in one. She is in place. Looks slick up there. I like the square design. Unique. And simple as that to mute it. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy, the Ajax 3-in-1 smoke heat CO. As you saw there, very easy to test, quick and simple to install. I just think they have too much to offer here. They do have heat onlys, they do have carbon onlys, but a 3-in-1 I just think blends everything together. You can get all your eggs into one basket. I honestly think there's nothing else on the market like this that I have seen yet. I try to look at videos as much as I can, but I've never seen one that works as well as this one. quite honestly, this one is the best there is, the best there was, and the best there ever will be. The excellence of execution.